Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to create your Amazon developer account and where to go to publish your Amazon Fire TV channel. The process is way easier, way simpler, and way faster than on Roku. Actually, it didn't require a separate video, but because Amazon's so big and offers so many services, it's extremely easy to get lost and make mistakes and submit your channel where you shouldn't. The second reason is because a lot of users have done this mistake and they complain that the channel isn't working. To publish your channel, you need an Amazon developer account. To create an Amazon developer account, go to developer.amazon.com. Click on sign in, then create an Amazon developer account. It's extremely easy and fast. You just submit some very basic information, verify your account and that you're good to go. I'll log in with an existing account, and as you can see, after you log in, you're directed to this screen, and it states extremely visible here that you can submit your channel for Amazon Fire or for Fire tablets. You can submit apps, Amazon Skills, and all kinds of other programs. But with TV Boss Fire, we develop feed-based TV channels, and you don't submit your channel from this page. Head on over to creator.amazon.com and you submit your channel from here. The technologies are different, and if you don't submit your channel from the creator page, you'll get errors and your channel will be refused. It's as easy as that, so please remember creating the developer account on developer.amazon.com. Sign in, then head over to creator.amazon.com, sign in and submit your channel for review and approval. That's all for now. See you in the next video.